What is up, YouTube? I'm always looking for new ways of driving traffic and building myself up. And I gotta tell you, this new idea that I just saw, I literally just saw it yesterday, so I'm just about to start implementing it, but I love it so much. This is such a brilliant, brilliant idea. And I know it's going to work because I know what YouTube is like. I know what this sort of thing does, and this is absolutely insanely good. And the best part is you can get the whole thing along with my insane bonuses for $7. I'm going to tell you all about it. I'm going to tell you how to get it for $7. It's coming right up in my review of Fame Payday. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear a fedora. Well, you know what it is, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can perform successfully. Well, me, my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. You can go ahead and skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be stale as well. Me talking about my jokes being stale every single time I do one of these videos. Let's face it, it gets boring. I know, but I'm a man of habit. I'm a creature of habit. I like having the same thing happen over and over again, even if they are a little bit boring. But hey, whatever works, right? But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And you may be asking yourself, well, why on earth would you do such a crazy thing like that? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap. Okay, seriously, Bart? Seriously? Do you know, by the way, I get asked to review dozens of products every single week, and I choose 2, maybe 3 that I review on this channel. Okay. Now, Bart doesn't realize this because Bart just likes to complain about crap all the time. But the truth of the matter is that I chose this particular product, even though it only goes for $7. I get half of that. So I get like $3.50 if you buy it. All right. And there was another product that I considered promoting today, which I actually would have gotten about $12 a piece if I would have sold it to you. But frankly, I wasn't impressed. This I am impressed with. And so bottom line, if I'm not impressed, I'm not telling you about it. So Bart can make all his comments about crap all he wants, but the truth of the matter is that I promise you, if I'm telling you about it, something that I'm truly impressed with, I'm not telling you about just because I'm trying to make money, okay? Because if I wanted to make money, I'd be promoting something that would make me more money, and I wouldn't care about what it matters to you, which is actually being able to build a business and make money online. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz Lemon. You see, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. You know, who can get angry at Liz? Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below, and let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now at the sales page for Fame Payday. Now, let me explain to you why I am in love with this hack. It's something that literally works for anybody, okay? And it's something that takes advantage of a certain loophole that actually is really, really brilliant. You know, I never would have thought of this myself until I saw what these guys are doing, and I was like, oh wow, oh that is so smart. And you know, it's a funny thing because like I never thought of this, and honestly I don't even take advantage. It has to do with YouTube playlists, I'll tell you that much. And it doesn't matter if you don't have anything on YouTube. That's not important. They'll explain to you all the details about that in order to not have to do anything. And this works with any niche you could possibly imagine. But this is such a brilliant idea basically it's going to let you take traffic from people who have tens of thousands of views and drive it to your own offers. It's absolutely one of the most brilliant things I've ever seen. And it actually it works because I know what YouTube is like. I know how it works. And the nice thing is you literally don't need any YouTube videos. You don't need an existing YouTube channel. You can literally have zero views on your YouTube channels and use this hack, and it actually will work. I am 100% certain of it. It actually does work brilliantly. Okay. As a matter of fact, I am so sure this hack will work brilliantly that I am offering my personal guarantee on this. All right. And this is something I have never, ever done before. I'm also going to tell you about my bonus in just a second, but I'm also going to give you my personal guarantee, which I have never, ever done before. Implement this particular method. Okay. Buy it for $7. I'm going to show you in just a minute how to get for $7. Implement this particular method. If you cannot make this work, if you try it honestly and it doesn't work within 60 days, if you don't see some results, okay, that you're getting zero clicks on your videos, nobody's looking, and this method doesn't work at all, then I'm going to give you a shout out on my YouTube channel. Okay, you know that my YouTube channel gets results. I make a full-time living from my YouTube channel. 60 days, if you don't get any results using this method, you get a free shout out from me on the YouTube channel. All right. And this is for something that, like I said, I'm getting $3.50. That's before fees. Actually, I'm getting like $2.93 when you buy it for $7. All right. That's just like, you know that I got to be insane to do this if I don't believe this is going to work. All right. Because I could end up inundated with hundreds of requests for these shout outs. But I know this works. I know that nobody's going to be requesting it because either you're not going to implement it, in which case, well, if you don't do what needs to be done, then nothing's going to happen. Or you are going to implement it. You're going to be saying, Eric, thank you so much for telling me about this, because I know this will work. I know it 100%. This is a brilliant method. It's gonna work. Okay. Now, as far as my bonus is concerned, I'm going to make this really simple. Here's my bonus. Pick this up from me, and I'm going to give you 20 different courses, including several that I've never given away before, ever. Nobody's seen them. All right. 20 different courses that you're going to get from me completely for free. Again, you're paying $7. You're getting this course plus 20 more courses for $7. But then I'm going to do something really insane that I've also never done before. Pick up any upgrade at all to Fame PayDay, and I'm going to give you 25 licenses to sell or give away to boost opt-ins. This is my award-winning software, which goes for $97 a piece. You get 25 licenses to sell or give away to boost opt-in. Okay, pick up 2 upgrades, you get 50 of them. Pick up 3, you get 75. You get the idea. All right. Pick up any upgrade, 25 licenses to boost opt-in, to sell or to give away. All right, you'll see the details in the bonus stock. Plus, you're getting 20 courses just off the bat. All right, so let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members area over here. You see, it's just the basic members area. I watched the videos here and I was blown away. This is so friggin' cool. Seriously, one of the coolest methods I've ever seen. This method actually works brilliantly. It is so awesome. It is so, wow. I was super impressed with this thing. And it's all done for you, by the way. Okay. You do not need a YouTube channel. You do not need any videos. You do not need to appear on video. If you don't want to appear on video, it's all there for you. Everything is done for you, completely, totally included in this particular method. Okay. And again, it's going to cost $7. Now, let me show you how you're going to get it for $7. So you can see here, this is the sales page. Okay. I'm going to go and refresh this page real quick, because it only happens the first time that you open it up. So you can see here, regular price $197. If you go ahead and try to exit in any way, it's going to offer you this $5 discount. All right. You're just going to click here to get it with a $5 discount. And boom, it'll cost you a whopping $7. $7. That's it. All right. That's all you're going to be spending in order to purchase Fame PayDay. All right. Get it for $7. I know I'm kicking myself for giving it, for letting you know about this, for getting you this thing for $7, especially when I'm getting like $2.93. Literally, that's what I get when you buy from me, and I give you 20 courses. So I know that I'm insane, and when I'm giving a guarantee, I know that that's truly insane. But I also believe in this very, very firmly. Let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give it to Matt, the product creator, or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you the man. Okay, look, this thing, I know it's going to work. I know it. And I'm going to be implementing it myself. I just learned about it yesterday. I am super excited about this method. Give it a try. If you don't get it within 60 days, you get a free shout out on my YouTube channel. I'm put together some more videos that are going to be not paid videos, but stuff with just free content. You get a free shout out on those free content videos where I'm just doing training videos. And yeah, because it's going to be free. All you have to do is try this method out, show me that it didn't work for you, and then you're going to get it for free. So so yeah, go ahead and grab this one for $7. You really can't go wrong. You're going to love it.